like banging out the wig reviews this morning. I got up early before work and I'm feeling good. I just updated this unit. This is unit 7 from the Dashley line of Sensational and Money Piece Blonde, and I'm loving it. I think I'm gonna wear it tomorrow for Friday. Okay, so today I have a review, a subscriber request. Mwah. And you, I'm not gonna remember who because I have ADHD, you know. But I did write it down as soon as you subscribed it. I wrote it down as soon as you subscribed it. I wrote it down as soon as you suggested it or requested it. And this is my favorite company, Freetress Equal, also known as Shake and Go Hair. For those of you who may not know, now you know. And this is Brisa, and I have her in the color CMBrownie, and it says Italian lace. Ooh, hand tied. And yeah, this color right here is the color that I have her in. I also thought about like this color or this color. This reminds me of that Daisy color from Janet collection. It says that she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I scooped her up from Wig Types for $21.12. So this is her. It's a light yucky texture, definitely some yuckiness. I like the color variation. If you can see the dark here into the light, and then it goes into the dark tips, which I really, really love. Bangs. Oh, nice parting space though. It is a lace parting. It's ooh, okay. It's actually a lace front. I didn't notice that. Okay, well, I guess I have to cut her lace off. I never thought about having lace on a banged wig. I guess it's then you can like adjust the bangs in different ways and maybe set them down. So this is going to be interesting. Let me just cut this lace and I'll be right back. Right, it's so interesting that there's lace on a banged wig. So I'm really kind of excited to get her on and see what that's all about. Cap construction. It's one of those stretchy mesh caps. You can see this lace here. 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps. I put my wigs on back to front. Sure. Oh. Okay. She's a nice length. She's maybe 18 inches or so. She's not, see, she's not super, super long. Yeah, okay, all right. I feel like I'm digging this. Let me get this chick together, and the density's nice. It's actually not too thick. It's more of a natural density. There is a light yuckiness to it. You see that beautiful coloring. I might be on board even more for this whole lace front on a banged wig. Let me get her together and then I'll tell you my thoughts. That didn't take too long. I want to see if what I think is to be happening that will. I think for most people, not for most, for a lot of people you may need to trim the bangs, and that's fine. I do like, yeah, this is what I thought, that you can set the bangs with the lace front. So I can set them like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is what I was hoping for. So I can just set them with a little part, and I really like that. I love the texture of this wig. I'm digging the whole bangs of the lace front. I was like, why would you do that? This is why, because you can part the bangs like I did. You could do a center part. You could just trim them up and not do a part. Like, you could do so much. Let's look at her from the back. Oh, look at that color. So pretty. Movement. I don't know. Yeah. Love her. Absolutely love this wig. I do love the versatility of the lace front. I was actually super skeptical at first. Oh yeah, and then you could do one of these. Yeah, one like this is just really versatile. Yeah, I like her. I like this color. I like this wig. This is a really nice banged wig. If you're one that wants a banged wig and you kind of want to step it up from just a full cap wig, I think this is a great option. I think with any banged wig, you do need to understand that you're going to need to play around with the bangs and maybe trim them up a little bit. With the texture and the length, I don't see a lot of tangling. I really don't. Person who suggests this, thanks. I'm not even going to get rid of this. This is going in my collection. What? If you have a wig from Freetress Equal that you want to see a review on, go ahead and put that down below. If there's a banged wig you want to see a review on, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.